Hey everyone, I'm Oliver Kovács, a Hungarian musician. If you're interested in how to blend vocals with a symphony orchestra, this video is for you. I composed an original piece of music just for this purpose. Don't worry, I'll cover every detail, so stick around. The tempo is 95 BPM, the time signature is 3/4, and the key signature is G minor. I used the natural minor scale. G minor is perfect for the vocal, it's neither too high nor too low. The orchestration here is fairly simple. I employed a symphony orchestra and a vocal line, and I think they sound great together. In the short intro, the two oboes follow each other. The higher voice is the main melody with the first violins, and the second violins double the second oboe voice. One of the clarinets provides the third voice of the harmony, while the other clarinet plays together with the violas. If you want to blend the vocal line with an orchestra, you have two options. If the vocal line is high enough, the vocal can be the highest voice and the violins follow it, forming chords with the vocal line. I chose another solution. The first and second violins play above the vocal line. The first violins tend to play an octave higher, but they also play other voices from the harmony. This reinforces the vocal part, but in this way, it's not exactly an octave doubling. The second violins follow the first violins, mostly a third or a fourth apart. The violas perform a third or a fourth below the vocal line and fill the gap between the vocal and the brass section. The French horns and tenor trombones play simple intervals below the violas, but sometimes the upper line overlaps the viola voices, which is not an orchestration mistake, it's completely fine. If you find this video interesting and useful, please consider supporting the channel with just $1 on Ko-fi. Creating educational videos takes a significant amount of time and research. It would help me continue my work. Thank you. The cellos and double basses play bass notes in an octave doubling, but they appear in a single line because the sample library automatically does the proper transposition. During the main theme, the flutes double the violins. This creates an interesting glassy texture that fits the theme very well. As for the percussion instruments, I used suspended cymbals, bass drum rolls, a triangle, and timpani. During the main theme, the flutes double the violins. This creates an interesting, glassy texture that fits the theme very well. The last couple of measures are very compelling. They involve the piccolo and the oboes, playing arpeggios and trills. I think it's a very good ending for this brief piece of music.